You just never know what you'll see along the roads here in the Pennsylvania wilds. We stopped in here at T&D Carving in Brockport on our way to Ridgway, Pennsylvania for the 2023 Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous to get a look at this 16-foot tall carving of an iconic photo. If you want to see more great chainsaw art, then stick around. We're here at the 22nd Annual Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous in Ridgway, Pennsylvania. This is a 4-day celebration of chainsaw artists featuring plenty of food, carving seminars, live music, lots of fun, and of course, live chainsaw carving. Starting with a basic log, you can watch these artisans turn them into incredible art right before your eyes. 90 chainsaw artists from all across the United States and 4 other countries made the trip here to Ridgway this year for one of the country's premier carving events. There's something for every taste, and the artists all brought pieces for sale as well as creating sculptures for the entire 4 days. Not only can you look at their amazing work, but if something catches your eye, you can take it home for your own yard or interior decor. Our goal in 2023 is to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, and you can help us get to that goal. All you have to do is click that subscribe button. It lets us know that you like what we do and helps get the YouTube algorithm to show our videos to even more people. It costs you nothing, and we would really appreciate your support. On the final day, Saturday, there's a speed carving event where the artists have 90 minutes to create a custom piece, followed by an auction for those creations. You can bid on a one-of-a-kind piece of art that you witnessed being created from a simple log. And if you're the lucky bidder, put it in your trunk or trailer for some of these things and take it home. Over the 4 days of the rendezvous, about 40,000 people will visit Ridgway and the surrounding areas of Elk County, enjoying not only the sights and sounds of this event, but to enjoy the natural beauty of the PA wilds. The rivers and mountains offer a myriad of outdoor adventure, and just a few miles away in Benezet is the hot spot for seeing some of the Pennsylvania wild elk herd. But for now, let's take a look at some of the stars of this show, the artists and their art. just like last year. The creativity and skill on display here is nothing short of amazing. There's a link in the description to the Rendezvous website, so you can keep an eye out and plan your own trip back next year to see it in person. I'd like to thank you all for coming along on this trip, and until the next one, have a great week. Right now, I have to go pet this dog. I'm telling you, he looks like a mean one.